Hakalai direk rumpang araja arplai ki NPP kalapalai ek manifesto jongka ya kabala khot People's Document Vision 2023 to 28 ya kanela palai do menteri rangba kejelau kon ki sangma ha kejelang kabla long hajwai katu kadi kimat ki balakin thup ha kanika manifesto kilong ban plelat nakabenda ka jingi okam yo jam ki samla kejela ban ai ke jingkershan bar kejerap ya ki nong rep bar ki shinong ha ki thai nong kendong bar ki wei de Hakani kasih lai dan langru mitri rang ba benrap ke sorkar jala ubadeiru MLA ke pen orslau ba prestun tensong MLA na nartiang uba snyau phalang dhar MLA karaliang uba coming one amban MLA ke jwai ba wailat miki shilla bar ke kertong ke banyakun na east shillong ke kong amprin lingdo
Jom ke NPP, kalau kita sign baru chief minister jom ke Assam, betul? Kau PMC balai people, yang ada manifesto, hakul mana ekonomi, Pyllait menjadi, Pyllait yang memelihara, Pyllait yang memelihara kami syukur. Kan bawang itai ada mamatang sekali. Kemukul wajib bermi jeniskrap. Bangun kau itu sekor. Dengan mau kepingin itu, yang ada parti bawan nama sekor. Kalau ngitrai kolong, bagi dekan stop yang ada problem. Hapden kam dekhlaya batasam. Nakam itu sekor. Never run after money. Because if you run after position and if you run after money, you will make the wrong decisions in political life. If you want to be in politics, you work committedly for the people and keep the people in front. It is the people of the state who will give you the position. It is the people of the state who will help you to take things forward. And therefore, in every decision that you take, always keep the people first, is what P.A. Sangma had taught us. And it is this principle, based on which we have been working in the last 5 years to take our state forward. And that is why, in spite of the numerous challenges we faced, we have been able to survive. We have been able to move forward. Critics had almost written off this government, saying that it is an ad hoc government which will last for a few months. But we proved every critic wrong. And we were able to do that because of the blessings from above and because of the blessings from each and everyone who is present out here.